welcome back, you guys. Welcome to today's video. So today is another food review, and I ordered from a place that we normally go to eat in person. So I got wild wings, and I don't really like wings, so I tried something different. And I already checked and they did not give me a fork, so I had to get one. There's this one, and there's this one. So I think the warmer one. This one is, you can see, it is poutine. Now if you know me really well, I love poutine. So I was trying out a different one. I don't eat this all the time, obviously, and I have not worked out yet today. Yeah. And then this one is a wrap. Bailey, go. Go on.
You got the food. She ain't going anywhere.
I don't require a dog.
Oh, I thought you wanted the company.
No. We had some technical difficulties there. This one here is a chicken wrap, and I got grilled chicken. Alright, so you fall over. That's weird. Okay, there we go. So this one actually goes as a side and not a humongous thing, but that one's really well done. I think I would rate this one like a 10 out of 10. Better than when I got the mess hall. So now we're gonna get into the wrap. So I showed you the french fries earlier. Now we're gonna show you inside of this wrap. I think it looks really good. Let me get a picture of it. And there's definitely more fries in here that I need more after eating some of that. These ones are really warm. The poutine ones, I did find some uncooked ones, so that was interesting. So my initial review of that was 10 out of 10, but since I found uncooked ones, it's probably down to a 6 or 7, just because, you know, you don't want to find uncooked stuff in your food. Now let's take a picture of this wrap. We're gonna try it in a second. Let's check in and see the picture turned out. Okay. So, the chicken tastes good. I'm not entirely sure what the sauce is. It's kind of interesting. think it's Caesar. It was really good. So I would definitely recommend this. The tortilla though, I kind of wish was a bit thicker. Because it's easily to fall apart. So definitely 8 or 9 out of 10. These additional fries, I would probably get a side salad or something if I wanted to stay on the whole healthy train. But for today's video, I went off the healthy train, obviously. At least for the most part. Yeah. But I would definitely get this again. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this review of Wild Wing. And if you have any places you want me to try in the next couple of months, because I'm not going to do any more of this type for this month, it's going to be more cooking and lifestyle and weight loss type stuff. Not so much ordering. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and turn on your notification bell and hit that subscribe button so you're notified every single time I post a video. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!